So you're trying to verify your domain and GetResponse, but you're either stuck or want to make sure you do it right the first time. Good news. This is actually pretty simple, but there are a few things that can trip you up if you're not careful. Stick around because I'll walk you through it step by step, plus I'll share a few important things most people miss. And at the end, I'll also give you access to an extended free trial for a better alternative if GetResponse isn't quite what you need. First, log into GetResponse and head to Email Marketing Settings. You'll see the option to add your domain. Type in your domain and click Add. Now, GetResponse will ask you to verify ownership. This is where things get a little technical, but don't worry, I'll break it down. Next, GetResponse gives you a TXT record. This is a small piece of text that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. To do this, log into your domain registrar, whether it's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another provider. Find the DNS management section and add the TXT record exactly as GetResponse provides it. Once you've saved it, go back to GetResponse and click Verify. If verification fails, don't panic. DNS updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. Try again later if needed. Also, some registrars have different ways of handling DNS changes, so if it's not working, double-check with your provider's support or documentation. After verifying, GetResponse will ask if you want to set up DKIM authentication. This improves email deliverability by proving that your emails are really coming from your domain. It's highly recommended, especially if you're using GetResponse for email marketing. You'll get another TXT record, just like before, so repeat the same steps in your DNS settings. Now, here's where some people run into issues. Some registrars don't allow underscores in TXT records, which DKIM keys often have. If you hit this problem, check if your registrar has a workaround or contact their support. Also, if you're using Cloudflare, make sure proxying is turned off for these records, otherwise, GetResponse won't be able to verify them properly. Once everything is verified, you can start sending emails from your domain without them going to spam. But here's the thing, GetResponse is decent, but there are better email marketing tools depending on what you need. If you're focused on automation and integrations, other platforms might give you more flexibility and better deliverability rates. That's why I've linked an exclusive and AMP, extended free trial to one of the best alternatives in the description. Plus, I've added a few other options that might be a better fit depending on what you need. And through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, check it out and let me know in the comments if you have any issues verifying your domain. I'll do my best to help.